Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. Honored to meet you here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Risma, and in this presentation we will discuss about early detection of diabetic retinopathy using ensemble learning approach. Presentation outline. First, introduction. Second, literature review. Third, method. Fourth, analysis and result. Fifth, conclusion. 1. Introduction. First, diabetes has been one of the leading health problems in all over the world, and it has attained the diabetes distinction of becoming the fifth leading cause of disease-related death. And diabetes is a chronic endocrine disorder affecting the body's metabolism and resulting in structural change affecting the organs of the vascular system. As a microvascular complication of diabetes, diabetic retinopathy has been one of the most common retinal vascular disease. 2. Literature review. First, diabetes is a chronic endocrine disorder affecting the body's metabolism and resulting in structural change affecting the organs of the vascular system, like the below slide. And second, generally, diabetes is characterized as existing in two major forms: A. Insulin dependent, it's type 1, and B. Non-insulin dependent, it's type 2. And the sample of studied population regarding diabetes refer to discrete type 2, positive and negative instances. Fourth, expert systems developed by machine learning technique have been successful in disease diagnosis system. Fifth, ensemble method use multiple learning algorithms to obtain better predictive performance than could be obtained from any of the constituent learning algorithm alone. And this is reference from the slide literature review. A third method. So first, the paper aimed to develop a hybrid intelligence method for a diabetic retinopathy using a set of real data. So the first step, data is clustered by SOM or self-organization map. In this step, similar observation operations are categorized in clusters generated by SOM. Next, use NIPALS or nonlinear iterative partial least squares for data dimensionally reduction. The latent variable or principal component analysis or PCA are obtained without correlation matrix diagonalization. And the last step, we use ANFIS or adaptive neurophagy inference system ensemble for classifying the retina image to detect diabetic retinopathy. Fourth, analysis and result. So this is the first step, clustering using SOM. This journal cited different clustering size for SOM, as the map quality of SOM for multiple 16 cluster was higher than other SOM map qualities. They selected 16 clusters for further experimental analysis. The result was in the picture. So after a number of different SOM clusters are developed, so this is the second step, dimensionally reduction using NIPALS. They applied NIPALS on a cluster for data dimensionally reduction. This journal performed PCA with fully informative analysis using the NIPALS and accordingly compute PC until above the 99% of variation was explained. In Table 6, it can be seen that for cluster 1, and it's for example, 13 VC provide the 99.27% information of original data. And this is for the last step, ANFIS ensemble evaluation. This journal initially considered 20% of data in each cluster for test set, 20 data for checking set, and 60% for training set. This journal also compared the result with other supervised machine learning and technique without incorporating SOM and NIPALS with the same dataset. So the result of classification was in the picture. 5. Conclusion. This paper proposed a new hybrid method for diabetic retinopathy diagnosis using machine learning technique. To evaluate proposed method, several experimental analyses were conducted on the same dataset. The results indicate that method which combine some nipples and unfixed ensemble technique obtain good classification accuracy in relation to method which solely use prediction data mining technique. The results show that the average classification accuracy of all clusters was 0.915 with average sensitivity 0.946 and specificity 0.917. Thank you for your listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Thank you so much for your attention.